fast. The pain is too much.
I know. Don't worry, everything will be alright. Just take it easy. We need to get to safety first. Okay? Calm down. We need to get to safety. Calm down. We'll get to safety, please. Calm down, honey. Calm down. Everything will be fine. We need to get to safety first, okay? Easy. Easy. I'm on it. Easy. We need to get to safety now. Okay?
This is not the way to the hospital.
I know, we just need to get to safety. Here is not safe, okay? You never can tell before you know to get to a village. Let's keep going. Sorry. I know. Just endure. Please, let's keep going. Please. Begging you, please, this way. Easy. Hurry up.
The pain is too much.
Hurry up. Sorry. Please don't kill me. Enough.
Your Majesty, you're shutting me up. I am your wife. I have the right to know the thoughts of my husband. Please, my king, I'm begging you. Please.
It is not your responsibility to discuss palace business with me. It is the duty of the Iliche and, of course, the Inobe. Get it right.
What kind of frustration is this? Oh!
Hey, Agaracha must come back. Sebastian. Look at the time and this man is not back. Okay, I'm waiting to hear the story you tell me this time around. Hey, onye makwa Sebastian kpọbịa ya na phone. Onye makwa Sebastian kpọbịa ya na phone maka ọ ga-akpọtụkwa.
Good morning.
Good morning. I saw another file on my desk. What is it for?
Oh, the Hilltop project. You said you wanted to see the resolution of the discussion and, the meeting between us and the investors.
Yeah, discussions, meetings, they're all the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it safe. I will tell you when I get it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Sebastian.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you say about my request?
Madam, I'm a married man.
You will not be the first. Neither will you be the last. After all, you can always walk away from your marriage. Just what?
Madam, no. This is not allowed, madam. This is a working environment, please. I can't do this, please.
My head is empty. It's going to be Italian loud. I don't see.
Come back here!
What?
Where is the money I gave to your sister to go to market and buy something for me? Which money? The one you collected from me. The money you collected from me. The one you collected from me. Bring it out.
Which money?
The one you collected from me. This boy has finished me. This man has finished me. This one has finished me. I told you. You see? What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? Hey!
Malicham. Apugum. My beautiful wife. Unyemo.
Hold your greetings. Hold your greetings, Sebastian. Where are you coming back from? And why didn't you pick my calls? Or do you want to tell me you did not see my calls? You try one day from my calls. Who the hell do you think you are to snub my calls?
Is that how you greet your husband who has had a long day at work?
Hey, Uchi, no now. I will bring you milk. See, maybe I'll add sardine inside it now. Eh? Why are you so irresponsible, Sebastian? Why? Always trying to intelligently change the topic. Why?
I don't have the time now, so just get out.
Where are you coming back from? No, you think you can win who you were from this one up here? Now this time around, where are you coming back from? Answer me now.
Why is it that every time I come back from a long day at work, you top it up with your nagging? Why?
Saba, I not nag. Oh, no now, increase your volume now. Why did you bring it down? So your wife is not a nagging wife up here? You've not answered me. If you want peace, tell me where you're going.
I don't know, Zakamba.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Answer me, you enter. KBC, where are you coming back from? That means that, oh, how about in jail now? No, I on generator. Where are you coming back from? Sanu now, answer me. Where are you coming back from? Am I not a human being standing here? Or you think you don't have any right to tell me where you're coming back from? Eh? I'm Ekwensu. So you want the neighbors to hear my voice now and they'll come and start saying this woman is only shouting. It's you that is causing this now. Oh. They should come and hear me. Oh. Tell me where you're coming back from and you will enter inside. Close your mouth. I'm not Ekwensu. Tell me where you're coming back from.
Unless I'm not the one that gave it to him. Yes! He will not! I'm talking. I said he will not sleep in that my house today.
Mama, you're the one that spoiled him. It's
How?
all your fault.
How?
You're asking me how. Are you not the one that trained him? If you do something bad, you will not correct him immediately.
Hey, is that what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that what you're saying? There's no problem. Go and get food. I'm not going to tell you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Has my son arrived?
No, Your Majesty. The king asked that you should contact his protocol officers to make sure they're on their way now.
I've done that already. It's a stupid man's like that. It will be closer. Who would have thought by now they'll be here? I'm wondering what would have been the reason for the delay. What are you still standing here doing?
Sorry, Your Majesty.
Come with me.
Calm down now. What are they doing? What are they doing? Walk on back. Shut up! I go shut you! Not enough that you village urchins are playing or fighting on the road. You still compounded your stupidity by trying to destroy my whiskey. Are you okay? Be this man. Are you? Huh? You know now. Okay, if you don't know, I go break on that. You know me. You know no place. Come here. They're asking you. Go take that man out of this. Stupid idiot. If you touch my girl, huh? Come. Are you mad?
Good morning, dear. I'm off to work. Why is the door locked?
So, Sebastian, you think you can wake up in the morning and leave the house without giving me money for food? If you want to go to work, give me money for food.
Why do you like issues? I already told you we have not been paid our salary. And the only money I have at hand is to settle the mechanic so we can be mobile again.
Wait. So that car, that your jalopy, that gura is more important than I am. No, tell me, all the car. Wait, that jalopy, that gura keep. So what the important?
You want the truth?
Yes, Sebastian. Tell me the truth. That car or your wife?
That car. Yes. What else are you good at? What do you bring to the table? Aside lying down all day watching TV and consuming all the food in this house. And then at night you snore away your life. Gini ka. Kedi hide mmea. Jebe di homma, naba di homma. You are just not useful for anything. Yet you nag and pressure my life. Let me open the door and go to work.
If you finish running your mouth like that, you give me money for food.
I'm going to go. Name that key.
Uncle.
Name that!
The only thing I want from you is courage and prayers. Stop pushing me away from you. Where is the love you promised me?
I'm not going to You will leave your house for me to come and eat now. Your house is food.
Come here. Look at him. I love you. How did it go?
It's okay. It was okay.
You kept me waiting.
Traffic, Mom. Traffic, you know how it is.
I suspected.
Yeah, Mom, you're looking so...
No more questions.
Oh my goodness, you're even looking younger than myself, Mom.
Look at him. Besides, your father is recent. You have it, sir. Is there another one? Speak to me.
The true one bears the mark. Royal blood runs through his veins.
The true one. Tell me, where can I find him? Speak to me, old witch. Speak to me. Where can I find him?
Closer than you think.
Mom, you mean there's another prince?
Yes.
Does Dad know about him?
I'm not sure he knows. Or probably he's pretending about it. But from all indication, I bet you he knows. And that is why I want him to present you as his heir.
Mom, I think you've just been paranoid. Because I've been having conversation with Dad, and he doesn't depict that there's any secret. Besides, he has always been telling me how proud he is of me and how I'm going to be the king. So I don't think there's anything like that. I strongly believe that.
I'm just saying.
I know you always look out for me, I know. But you don't need to worry yourself, okay, Mom? All is okay. Is that why you're worried?
Just a bit.
Smile for the son. That's not enough, Mom.
What's wrong with this man? Are you mad? Who be that mad now? You mad? Where you want to make her fly? Where do you want to make her pack? Where you want to make her pack from middle of the road? Oh yeah, the horn now. The horn like mad person. What? How did this get here? How did the crowd get? What's going on?
Please don't kill me. I did not steal it, I swear.
What are you thinking, stealing the rare crop?
I did not steal it. Believe me, I swear I did not steal it. I found it in the car. I don't know how we got into the car. Please.
I believe you.
Thank you.
Get into the car.
Okay.
I'm in back seat. To the back seat.
Yeah.
I did not steal. Get into the car.
Man they suffer, man they hustle. Destiny of a man, Akalaku. Nothing is free, even in the free city. Oh. Nothing is free, yeah. Nothing is free, oh. Nothing is free. Oh. You must hustle, you must survive. Oh. As a man, you must hustle. Well. Nobody go help you tomorrow. Try help yourself. Makopuku, Kamaduja, try Fedanana million. Tomorrow go better. Tomorrow, hustle no deki. Hustle no deki. Don't lose hope in life. Your future is bright. You don't know what God has prepared for you. Don't lose hope. Hustle no deki, hustle no deki. Anu kolo gilianu, ke mecha welo gililacha. Anu kolo gilianu, mecha welo gililacha. Afufada madogwanu naru, cha. The end just fight the miss. Inugo, emenalua, emenampu. Because of ego, don't soil your hand. Because you want to make it big. Don't allow pressures of this world.
No. Look at the time. Look at the time. Look at the time. A married man is coming back to his house. Abi is sneaking back to his house. Are you done running? No, are you done running? I did not sleep because I want to give you war. Shege Banza, that is why I'm waiting for you. I'm here to give you Shege Banza. Are you done running? What, Anna?
What have I done to you? Why is it that a man will work all day long and want to come back to a warm bed and a good meal, and you will come with your nagging? That's why I left the bedroom for you, because I tried to and came to the living room to lie down. Yet you found me out.
What's a good meal? So you expected me to cook? Cook with what? No, answer me. Cook with what? You ran out in the morning. Did you give me money? No, answer me. Did you give me money? I'm talking, you're sleeping, my friend. I've declared war. Ogunangwa. Let's do it. Welcome back. War! Let's do it. Wake up.
Chineke, if you go my email, if you go the tea in my life, if you are the mafia, or the phone man.
So you're saying I'm a mad woman? Yes, I'm a very mad person. The one that is raving mad, that is walking. The only thing that is meant for me now is to roam around the streets. Wake up! War! Then, oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah, let's get mad together. Wake up! You will not sleep, oh. You will not sleep, oh. You get him wanna stand up, oh. That's it.
Why? Are you a witch?
Yes.
Holy Ghost fire!
Fire!
Hey, you. I've been wondering since when you'll be home to give me my favorite hug. That's your way, that's what you've been saying. The house has been very boring. Seriously, I've been so, I've been so bored. So boring at home without you, babe. You always know, when you come, what? Are you sure? Come on, be serious. When you come back, you'll see whether you see it yourself. Maybe better than before the way. Are you serious? Please come on board. Seriously, I'm very bored at home. You're not serious. It's a lie. That's not true.
Sandra.
I didn't know that your husband had changed like this. I mean, he used to worship you now.
The Sebastian you used to know is not the same Sebastian. I am suspecting that my husband is cheating on me. Yes.
No, not Sebastian. Okay? Because we all know he loves you. And he used to spend on you back then in school. Or have you forgotten?
What did you say?
Back then in school.
Thank you. Back then in school. This same clothes you're wearing now, were you wearing it back then in school? The Sebastian you're seeing now is not the Sebastian of yesterday. My husband has changed. Neka, my instinct has never failed me and will not start failing me today. I am sure, in fact, I'm convinced that that man is having an affair with another woman.
This is serious. So what are you going to do? Because I know any man that doesn't spend on his wife has a girlfriend.
Who cares? But does it look like I care? Me, I don't care. Because I know that no woman in her right senses will fall for that my husband. No.
Stop it.
I'm not funny. It's not funny. You fall for my husband with that his yellow picker.
My dear, forget. You can't tell, my dear. Because girls are very desperate now. Extremely desperate.
Their desperado cannot move them to Sebastian.
Have
because Sebastian is too poor.
Come on, stop now.
You know girls of this, they know at this now. They like flashy things. My husband cannot provide it for them.
Actually.
Kuku, if he wants, we'll break up now. Sure, divorce is not fun now. Either he leaves or I leave. It's not a do or die affair marriage.
Young lady. I trust you. Let me drink my cookie, please.
Drink, Jerry. Sorry, I did not buy you biscuits.
I still owe you.
Don't worry, next time I'll buy you.
Alright, I'm okay with this one.
Your Highness, further postponement will cut off people. You see, they need to know the hand of the king. They want to see the hand of the king. They know our king, that is a man that sticks to his word. Well, a little postponement will not hurt anyone. But, like you have said, we'll stick to the date as planned. No, as my close confidant and most reliable advisor, I want you to follow up on the organizing committee. You know, I want us to have a hitch-free event. I hope you understand and all. Yes, Your Highness. I will do exactly. May you live long, Your Highness.
Hello? Good morning. Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm home. I'm sorry, I slept late. I won't keep you waiting, I promise. I'm coming.
Keep you waiting? Who is she? So it has gotten to the point that you no longer respect the sanity of our home. Who is that lady? Who is the person that you're talking to? Bring your phone.
Did you smoke Igbo in your dream or something? So I cannot talk with my people at the workplace again.
Which work? Work. Is it not a woman voice that I heard? Sabi, you're cheating on me. So you're cheating on me. I see it. Sabi, God will punish you under your side cheek. God will punish you under your side cheek. And may God have mercy on you, because when I will start my own, it will only take heavens for me to stop.
It won't be well with Tony Megi this time.
Man, Kegi one. What do you call that? Yeah.
Please give me peace. Love, give me peace.
I'm talking to you. Papa, am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you? Am I not talking to you?
And I cried and shouted.
You want to go and meet Okoya? Okoya, you want to go and meet her? Let's watch the car. Let's watch the car now. Let's watch the car now. Shebi, you want to go and say, let me also watch you. Let me watch you so you go and see her.
And I heard a voice.
You promised me.
I'm sleeping, oh. I'm sleeping. I want to sleep.
What do you want me to do right now? Do you want me to stay?
Go to my room. You'll see my hairs on the bed. Gather them, you'll be taking them to the salon forever.
That's my process.
Right away.
Not as you think now. Oh,
My king.
Jane, I have to go for the office.
Not yet, sir.
You know me
now. Dad, I know you're worried about the office affair. With telephony, your daughter can control everything that has to do with the office affair.
Exactly.
Wow.
Father, are you stepping out?
Yes, he is going on a trip. You know, he's having a meeting with the other royal fathers of all oil producing communities. Right?
Yes.
Oh, wow. But that's a very big opportunity for your son to meet the president. Why didn't you take your heir, the heir to the crown of this kingdom, to at least meet the president?
Wow, that's quite ambitious. Well, next time, because this is not a social call. Maybe some other time, okay?
Okay.
And my dear wife and my children,
Majesty.
I need you to stay well. I'll be back by weekend.
Safe trip, my dad.
Please stay safe.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, my queen.
And eat well.
What about your daughter?
You don't hug your king.
I don't mind, he's my father.
Just stab her back. Don't
Just
hug.
your daughter? Just your daughter? Just the daughter?
No.
Okay.
But you go have your queen ready.
Oh, really? Okay, that's gonna happen soon anyway. Don't worry. Yeah, that's gonna happen soon.
All right, so I'll be leaving now. Okay?
Majesty.
Take care of yourself.
You too, Dad.
That's your father.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more, you know.
Sandra, you're giving your husband a bad time. Yes, we are the ones who chase our men away from us.
Nika, don't tell me anything about bad times because you're not the one in my shoes. If you're the one in my shoes, you will know how painful it is. My prayer is that one day God will disgrace my husband under his side chick.
Sandra, how can God disgrace someone who goes out in the morning to his working place? I think these are all illusion in your head. Yes.
Illusion in my head? Okay, I accept. You will stay here and you will see it. God will disgrace both of them. Because it's that side chick that is making my husband not to desire my body again. Makachuku.
You think so? Don't you think it's your attitude? that makes him not to find you attractive anymore.
Chikwa, hold up. What is happening?
I'm telling you the truth.
No, Nneka, what is happening? Because today, 1 second you're with me, the next minute you're with my husband. What is happening?
I have to tell you the truth now. Nothing but the truth.
What truth are you telling me? Wait, Nneka. Are you the side chick?
What do you mean?
What I mean is that it's like you're the side chick. I'm here pursuing something that is outside. I don't know the thing is inside the house here.
Are you okay?
I am okay.
I don't think you are.
If you don't know what to say, shut your mouth up. Pocket it inside your bag or you get out of my house.
Are you asking me out?
I've told you.
You just calm down and stop nagging. Yes, you have to stop nagging. Yes, you're nagging too much.
Hello? Sorry, excuse me.
What kind of them do for you?
Please, I don't mean to disturb you, please, but can you just assist me to push this car to that corner so I don't block people's way?
I should assist you push this car.
Yes.
As what? Oh, you left your house this early, Papa, you forgot to buy food, and you're telling me to push your car for you?
No, it's just a little push to that corner there. It's not like a...
I better get out.
How do I deliver this file now to Princess Rhoda?
Okada! Wait, Okada!
My princess. Is everything okay?
What do you care? Let me have the file.
Sorry about that.
It's not time for you to go back to the office.
Oh, sorry, my princess. I'll be on my way now.
Hold on, let me get to the file and go to the office.
Okay, my princess.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
Please, are you one of the members of the royal family?
No, I'm not a member of the royal family. But the daughter just went inside now. She'll be out soon. Just exercise a little patience.
Okay.
Hello.
Good day, my princess.
Good day. How may I help you?
Okay. This is Detective Henry and this is Detective Jude.
Okay, how may I help you?
We're from the force headquarters. Can we see anyone to talk to, please?
You can actually talk to me, but hold on, let me call my brother. Oh, he's here. We're here to see.
Good day, my friend. Sir, good day. I'm Detective Henry and this is Detective Jude. We are from the force headquarters.
Okay.
My prince, we are sorry to tell you that your father is dead.
What? What? You said whose father?
Your father is dead.
Oh, are you sure?
We saw your father's car and another car by the side, which we assume is the culprit's car. And inside the car, we saw this document. We think it belongs to one of the murderers.
Are you sure it's my father?
Yes,
Think. How?
Sebastian. Sebastian!
What is it? Oh God. These are my car papers. Where did you find them? What happened?
Come on. You are pretending like you don't know.
I don't know anything about this.
But you don't know. I swear to God. Excuse me. I don't kill anybody than you. You the village.
I don't know anything about this.
Allow the Lord to take it all.
I don't know anything about this thing.
Shut up.
My car broke down on the way and I took Okada to this place.
You okay, my man?
I don't know anything about this, my princess. I was there before with you now.
Mr. Man, you have to come with us to the station.
Officer, I don't know.
Move it now. Whatever you say here will be used against you at the long court.
My princess, tell them I came.
Move right now. Wherever you God.
Sebastian, pick my call. Sebastian, you are looking for my trouble now. Pick my call.
Give me peace. The only thing I want from you is correct.
You're still here. This one your face is like this. What happened?
Is it not Sebastian? Is it not Sebastian? No, why will he off his phone? If not that he has gone to see that side chick of his. Why will he off his phone? Poor, you know that you're poor, you're still pursuing woman. How?
Did he tell you he went to see a side chick?
Must he tell me? Must he tell me? His actions are already saying it. Why will Sebastian off his phone now? Somebody that went to work, why will he off your phone?
Don't you think his battery is flat? Or maybe he's busy at the office?
Which flat? His battery is not flat. I'm sure that Sebastian off his phone. Because I called him. He offed his phone and I called the office. They said he came in and hurriedly left. Hurriedly left to where? If not side chick, maybe that girl has called him to bring money. He want to go and spend the whole money he made today on that girl.
Calm down. I don't want to say anything, no. Before you chase me out again. I brought market for you. Patronize me shop now.
I hope it's not China.
China. This is talking now. Don't sell nonsense. You love this one. Trust
This
me.
one gown now, be waiting.
This gown.
If you not bring all this sexy gown, let me know if it's what Sebastian will see and come back.
Sexy, man. This one.
Mama, check me out. Look at me. How do I look, Mama? I'm tantalicious, right?
What?
Tantalicious.
Please wait. Who are you going to say?
To Paris.
To the palace?
Of course.
But don't you have another plot to wear? Must you go out with this Papa Dash me, that palace?
Is there no other clothes better than this one? Check his cinema out and his swag and everything. Mama. But let's see who Masakina Mama. Check his height of 100%. What can I baby? Check his okay? Oh, damn. Shawan, you. Mala. Keep it up. Is it again? Again. Oh, damn. Mama, you are the best. You will go.
Someday, we'll be there.
Come on now. Man. Let them go come in. Mama, you are the best. Mama, I love you. Love you so much, Mama. Mama.
What is all this? Hey! You can't make a talk when I'm on one.
Officer, what's going on? I don't understand. How can you just arrest somebody and bring to your station without telling him what he has done? What have I done?
You don't know what you did.
No!
That you and your co-travelers killed an innocent man. You don't know about it.
Did you say kill? Killed?
Yes.
God forbid bad thing. I'm not a murderer or officer. I've never killed anybody in my life. I swear to Almighty God. If that is why you brought me here, then you are wrong, bro.
What are you saying? I'm wrong. Okay, you're not a murderer. You're a father.
Officer, I've not killed anybody before. I need to call my wife. I need to tell her what is going on so that she can maybe witness.
You want to call your wife?
Yes. What that rakwa? God forbid bad thing. Oh. Sorry, officer, my airtime has finished.
Okay.
Okay, watch. 060-4262-8454.
Hello, who is this?
Hello? Hello? Am I on to Sebastian's wife?
Yes, any problem?
Okay, this is Detective Henry. I'm calling from the force headquarters. Your husband is here with us. Hello? Hello? What you say this is your wife's number?
Yes, that's her number. What did she say?
So you played pranks with me so that your co-travelers will run away after killing an innocent man, right?
I swear to God, officer, I did not kill anybody. You are confusing me with another person. I don't know what you're talking about.
I am not confusing you with another person. You did it. What are you trying to do? Cover up.
I did not do anything. Believe me. I am innocent.
Hold on. Hello? Okay. Yes, I will be there. I'm coming right away. Don't worry, you know what you did.
Officer, wait. Are you leaving me? Officer, are you going away? I don't know what is going on. What is happening? I don't know anything about this now. Officer!
Hey! I said it. I said it. Every day is for the for 1 day is for the Now they are calling me. Who knows if that side chick is dead? Hey, Sebastian, I put a cool way out. Pull up and come up to me.
You see, when your ways are right with the ancestors, all you see all the time are wonderful things. That's true. So you see how impressed I am that I, as a father, and as the king of this kingdom, I'm so impressed that you have developed a computer program that is capable of solving a decade-old problem. Can you imagine that? Who am I? Son, I am impressed.
Thank you, Dad.
the thing is that without you, I wouldn't have achieved any of this at all. You have done all that you could. You've supported me in all ramifications, financially, morally, in fact, in every ramification. You deserve to be a proud dad.
Yes. Yes, I know I have to. But then, I wasn't the only father that had to send his child abroad. Some would get there and start to club, run after women. Some get into criminality. Yet, my own son, who knows that he is a future king of this great kingdom, decided to put himself in a condition, in an atmosphere of greatness.
That's good. That's good.
That's the truth. And so, don't just say it's a luck or proud or something. No, I'm more than proud.
But I needed to. Because I know who my dad is. I know if I mess up, oh my God, my dad is going to chase me out of this kingdom.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dad.
When we get very strict with our children, they misunderstand the fact that it is meant for their greatness tomorrow. They begin to say, Daddy hates me, Mommy loves me more, and the rest.
Now I know.
Was I with you overseas? No. So, I wasn't with you. You knew what took you there. You had your dream. You had your aspiration. And as a young man, you were goaded by the fact that you needed to separate yourself from every societal vices. Of course, you knew you were going to be the heir of this great
yes.
Son?
Your advice, Dad. Your advice did a lot. Made a lot of difference. It keep ringing. Like,
yeah,
son, you have to make me proud and all that. So I never stopped.
I'll make it up to you.
I'm looking forward to that, Dad.
You want a Jeep or just a car? Whichever.
Something different. I'll tell you that later.
So?
No, I better tell you now that
Say
you're
so
excited.
that I am excited.
I want a Jeep, a specific one.
Are you sure that?
GS 470. No, 570. I know you can afford that.
Okay.
What happened? Oh no. Hey, His Majesty, our king, is no more.
How? When? Wait, who told you?
Oh no, I cannot answer that question now. We need to go to the palace.
Hey, what?
Oh no.
The great Inokotri has fallen. Let's go. Enokwa.
So you, that my dad employee, you had the guts to kill my dad.
I am innocent.
Shut the fuck up!
I swear to God, I don't know about this. I did not kill anybody. I did not hurt anybody. Yes, I came to the palace. The princess...
Shut up! So you kept this information away from us. Now I've seen your motives.
I'm innocent.
Shut
I
up.
swear to
Shut
God,
up, shut up. I don't want to do something stupid. Shut up. Detective, I want everyone involved in this, including all his partners and gang, friends, and anyone that you suspect, I want them to be found and prosecuted. Mr. Innocent, when the time comes, you will feel everything.
I'm innocent, I swear.
Stop telling me you're innocent. I'm trying to behave myself. Stop telling me you're innocent. I knew there was something about you with this young man. Everybody should be dealt with. Detective, I trust your word. Everybody should be dealt with. You're innocent. You had the guts to kill your employer. You will get the Miami Heat soon.
Officer,
Quiet!
I don't understand what you're talking about. But all I know is that she's the one I love and the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. That's all that matters, and I love her.
My son, truth should be in love, and love in truth.
And what does that mean?
That girl is not meant for you, can't you see? In fact, she will ruin your life if you eventually get her.
Papa, how do you come to this conclusion? What do you even know about her? How can you just sit down here and castigate somebody you don't know anything about? Do you know how long we've been together? Do you know her character? I love her and I want to marry her. I think your loneliness in the village is getting out of hand. It's about time we got you another wife so that at least you get busy and not being
That's what you think?
Hey, see that? Babe. No.